To install a seismic station, you will need to follow several steps. Here is a general guide to help you get started. Determine the location. Choose the right location for your seismic station. It should be away from sources of noise and vibrations, such as heavy machines or busy roads. If possible, it should be on stable ground to minimize background noise. Equipment selection. Select the suitable seismic monitoring equipment based on your requirements and budget. This typically include a seismometer, data acquisition system, and a computer for data storage and analysis. Consider consulting with seismic experts or suppliers to ensure you choose the right equipment for your needs. Prepare the site. Clear the selected location of any waste or plants. Level the ground if necessary, and ensure that there are no underground utilities that could interfere with the installation. Install the seismometer. Follow the manufacturer's instruction to install the seismometers. Typically, this involves securely arranging the seismometer to a stable basis. The seismometer should be leveled and oriented according to the manufacturing specifications. Connect the data acquisition system. Connect the seismometer to the data acquisition system using appropriate cables. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper wiring and connections. Install the computer and software. Set up a computer near the seismic station to collect and store data. Install the necessary software provided by the equipment manufacturer to interface with the data acquisition system. Calibrate and test. Calibrate the seismometer according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Perform tests to ensure that the equipment is working correctly and that data is being recorded accurately. Establish a power source. Ensure that the seismic station has a stable and reliable power source. This can be a connection to the electrical grid, solar panels with batteries, or a generator, depending on the location and availability of power. Establish data connectivity. If remote monitoring and data transmission are desired, establish a reliable internet connection at the site. This can be achieved through wire or wireless means, depending on the available infrastructure. Implement data storage and analysis. Set up a system for sorting and analyzing the collected data. This may involve configuring data storage on the computer or setting up a dedicated service for long-term data storage. Regular maintenance and monitoring. Establish a maintenance schedule to ensure that the seismic station remains in good working condition. This may include regular checks, software updates, and cleaning of the equipment. It's worth noting that installing a seismic station requires expertise in seismology and geophysics. If you are not familiar with the process, it's recommended to consult with professionals or experienced individuals in the field to ensure proper installation and operation of the station.